What's up, everyone? We're going to go over removing a burr and setting a microbevel because I do those at the same time. I'm using the Sharpening Glass 500 mostly because this stone shows the contrast of the metal very well, and it doesn't load up much, so I can keep the stone clean to show what's going on. So first thing I'm going to do is sharpen this, raise a burr on both sides, and then we'll go over removing that burr. Now, what a microbevel is increasing the angle that you sharpen the knife at. And you're going to do a very small bevel at the edge of your apex, and it'll also remove the burr. The burr's on this side right now, so we're going to work on sharpening this side, and we're going to focus most of our pressure on the edge leading stroke. And that's important because that is what removes the burr. And you want to do this with a hard stone without a lot of mud or slurry on. I'm going to go both directions, but I'm focusing the pressure on the edge leading. Okay, so that flipped our burr. So the burr's gone on this side. We're going to do 5 strokes this way. Okay, that flipped the burr again, and the burr's gone on this side. Now I'm going to work only in edge leading. Okay, so the burr's gone, and there's just a very fine burr on this side. So 3 strokes this direction. Okay, at this point, the burr is almost completely gone. I'm going to start doing alternating strokes, reducing pressure every time. You can see how little metal this is actually removing. It's pretty much just the weight of the knife. Okay, so this is straight off that Sharpening Glass 500. Haven't stropped it, haven't done anything but remove the burr. So that's setting a microbevel and fully removing a burr to leave pretty much a razor edge. Thanks for watching.